In today's video, we will go in-depth in discussing methods to boost your immune system naturally. A healthy and strong immune system will help keep you feeling at your best and protect you from diseases. If you find this sort of topic helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up for more valuable content on my channel. A robust immune system serves as the body's first line of defense against harmful pathogens, playing a critical role in maintaining overall health and well-being. In today's world, where infectious diseases and environmental stressors abound, bolstering immune function has never been more vital. While modern medicine offers vaccines and medications to combat illnesses, there is a growing interest in natural approaches to enhance the body's innate ability to ward off infections and diseases. Understanding the intricacies of the immune system is fundamental to devising effective strategies for strengthening its function. The immune system is a complex network of organs, tissues, cells, and molecules that work together to identify and neutralize invading pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Key components of the immune system include white blood cells, antibodies, and lymphatic vessels, each playing a unique role in defending the body against harmful invaders. In recent years, research has highlighted the significant impact of lifestyle factors on immune health. Diet and nutrition, for example, play a crucial role in supporting immune function, with certain nutrients and antioxidants playing key roles in strengthening the body's defenses. Similarly, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and effective stress management have been shown to enhance immune function and reduce the risk of illness. In this article, we will explore a range of natural methods to boost the immune system, offering practical tips and evidence-based recommendations for enhancing immune function. From dietary changes and herbal remedies to lifestyle modifications and hygiene practices, these strategies provide individuals with proactive measures to fortify their immune defenses and safeguard their health in an increasingly challenging world. Understanding the immune system. A comprehensive understanding of the immune system is essential for appreciating the significance of natural methods to boost its function. The immune system is a highly intricate network of organs, cells, and molecules that work together to protect the body from harmful pathogens and maintain its integrity. At the forefront of the immune response are various types of white blood cells, including lymphocytes, phagocytes, and natural killer cells. Lymphocytes, which include T cells and B cells, play a central role in identifying and destroying foreign invaders. Phagocytes, such as macrophages and neutrophils, engulf and digest pathogens, while natural killer cells target and destroy infected or abnormal cells. Additionally, the immune system relies on specialized organs and tissues to coordinate its activities. The thymus, spleen, bone marrow, and lymph nodes are key components of the immune system, each with specific functions in immune surveillance and response. The lymphatic system, comprising lymphatic vessels and lymphoid organs, serves as a conduit for immune cells and facilitates their movement throughout the body. Central to the immune system's function is its ability to distinguish between self and non-self, identifying and neutralizing harmful pathogens while avoiding attacks on healthy tissues. This delicate balance is maintained through a complex array of signaling molecules, known as cytokines, which regulate immune responses and coordinate the activities of immune cells. In summary, the immune system is a sophisticated defense mechanism that relies on the coordinated efforts of various components to protect the body from infections and diseases. By gaining insight into its structure and function, individuals can better appreciate the importance of supporting immune health through natural means and adopting lifestyle habits that promote optimal immune function. Lifestyle factors for immune health. The immune system's efficacy is heavily influenced by lifestyle choices, making it crucial to adopt habits that promote immune resilience. Several key factors, including diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management, play integral roles in maintaining optimal immune function. Diet and nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the body with essential nutrients and antioxidants necessary for immune support. Key nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, and selenium have been shown to bolster immune function and reduce the risk of infections. Incorporating immune-boosting foods like citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and legumes into daily meals can provide the body with the nutrients it needs to mount an effective immune response. Exercise and physical activity. Regular exercise is known to enhance immune function by promoting circulation, reducing inflammation, and stimulating the production of immune cells. Engaging in moderate-intensity aerobic activities such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming for at least 30 minutes most days of the week can significantly improve immune health. Strength training exercises that target major muscle groups also play a role in supporting immune function by increasing muscle mass and enhancing metabolic function. Sleep and stress management. Adequate sleep is essential for immune health as it allows the body to rest and repair itself while replenishing energy stores. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to impaired immune function and increased susceptibility to infections. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, practicing relaxation techniques, and creating a conducive sleep environment can help improve sleep quality and enhance immune resilience. Similarly, effective stress management techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help mitigate the detrimental effects of stress on immune function. By prioritizing these lifestyle factors and adopting habits that support immune health, individuals can strengthen their immune systems naturally and reduce the risk of illness and infection. Natural immune-boosting supplements. In addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle, certain supplements can provide targeted support for immune function. These supplements, derived from natural sources, contain specific nutrients and compounds known to enhance the body's defenses against pathogens. Vitamin C, perhaps one of the most well-known immune-boosting supplements. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting various immune functions. It acts as an antioxidant, scavenging harmful free radicals and protecting immune cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin C also stimulates the production of white blood cells and enhances their ability to combat infections. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and kiwi are excellent dietary sources of vitamin C, but supplementation may be necessary for individuals with inadequate intake or increased immune demands. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is essential for immune regulation and function. It modulates the activity of immune cells, promotes the production of antimicrobial peptides, and helps maintain the integrity of the respiratory epithelium, the body's first line of defense against pathogens. While sunlight exposure is the primary source of vitamin D synthesis in the body, supplementation may be necessary, particularly in regions with limited sunlight or during winter months. Zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in immune function and response. It is involved in various immune processes, including cell signaling, gene expression, and antibody production. Zinc supplementation has been shown to reduce the duration and severity of respiratory infections, such as the common cold, and may help prevent infections by supporting the integrity of mucosal barriers. Dietary sources of zinc include meat, seafood, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, but supplementation may be beneficial for individuals with inadequate intake or increased zinc requirements. Probiotics. The gut microbiota plays a significant role in immune regulation and defense against pathogens. Probiotics, beneficial bacteria found in certain foods and supplements, help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora and support immune function. They enhance the production of antibodies, stimulate the activity of immune cells, and compete with harmful pathogens for colonization in the gut. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are rich dietary sources of probiotics, but supplementation may be beneficial, particularly for individuals with gastrointestinal issues or antibiotic use. Elderberry. Elderberry is a potent immune-boosting herb with antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to inhibit viral replication and reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. Elderberry supplements, typically available in syrup or capsule form, are commonly used during cold and flu season to enhance immune resilience and support recovery from respiratory infections. Echinacea. Echinacea is a popular herbal remedy used to support immune function and alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections. It contains compounds that stimulate the activity of immune cells and enhance the body's ability to fight off infections. Echinacea supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tinctures, and teas, and are commonly used as a preventative measure during cold and flu season. While these supplements can provide valuable support for immune health, it's essential to use them judiciously and in consultation with a healthcare professional. Individual needs may vary based on factors such as age, health status, and dietary intake, and excessive supplementation can have adverse effects. By incorporating these natural immune-boosting supplements into a balanced diet and lifestyle, individuals can enhance their immune resilience and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Herbal remedies for immune support. In addition to supplements, herbal remedies have long been used to bolster the immune system and promote overall well-being. Many herbs contain bioactive compounds with immune-boosting properties, making them valuable allies in maintaining optimal immune function. Garlic is renowned for its immune-enhancing properties, thanks to its high content of sulfur compounds like allicin. These compounds have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, making garlic an effective natural remedy for fighting off infections and supporting immune health. Incorporating raw garlic into meals or taking garlic supplements can provide immune-boosting benefits. Ginger. Ginger is another potent herb with immune-modulating properties. It contains gingerol and other bioactive compounds that possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, helping to strengthen the body's defenses against pathogens. Ginger can be consumed fresh, as a tea, or in supplement form to support immune function and alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections. Turmeric. Turmeric, prized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, is a staple in traditional medicine for immune support. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to enhance immune function by modulating immune cell activity and reducing inflammation. Consuming turmeric in cooking or as a supplement can help support immune health and promote overall well-being. Astragalus. Astragalus root has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to strengthen the immune system and improve resilience to infections. It contains polysaccharides and saponins, bioactive compounds that stimulate immune cell activity and enhance immune response. Astragalus supplements are commonly used as a preventative measure during cold and flu season to support immune function and reduce the risk of infections. Licorice root. Licorice root is prized for its immune-modulating and antiviral properties. It contains glycyrrhizin and glycyrrhitinic acid, compounds that have been shown to enhance immune function and inhibit viral replication. Licorice root supplements, or teas, can be used to support immune health and alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections. Incorporating these herbal remedies into a balanced diet and lifestyle can provide valuable support for immune health. However, it's essential to use them judiciously and in consultation with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. With proper care and attention, herbal remedies can serve as powerful allies in maintaining a strong and resilient immune system. Hygiene and preventative measures. In addition to dietary and lifestyle interventions, practicing good hygiene and adopting preventative measures are crucial for supporting immune health and reducing the risk of infections. By minimizing exposure to harmful pathogens and maintaining a clean and healthy environment, individuals can bolster their immune defenses and promote overall well-being. Hand washing and personal hygiene. Proper hand hygiene is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Regular hand washing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds helps remove germs from the hands and reduces the risk of contracting or spreading infections. It's especially important to wash hands before eating, after using the restroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Additionally, practicing good respiratory hygiene, such as covering the mouth and nose with a tissue or elbow when coughing or sneezing, can help prevent the transmission of respiratory infections. Vaccinations. Vaccinations are essential for building immunity against infectious diseases and reducing the risk of outbreaks. Vaccines work by stimulating the immune system to produce antibodies against specific pathogens, providing protection against future infections. Routine vaccinations, such as those for influenza, measles, mumps, rubella, and COVID-19, are recommended to safeguard against preventable diseases and protect public health. Avoiding exposure to harmful substances. Minimizing exposure to harmful substances, such as tobacco smoke, pollutants, and toxins, is essential for maintaining immune health. These substances can compromise immune function and increase susceptibility to infections and diseases. Avoiding smoking and secondhand smoke, reducing exposure to air pollutants, and using protective equipment when working with hazardous materials can help protect the respiratory system and support immune resilience. By adopting these hygiene practices and preventative measures, individuals can strengthen their immune defenses and reduce the risk of infections. While no strategy can guarantee complete immunity, incorporating these habits into daily life can help promote overall health and well-being. In conclusion, boosting the immune system naturally is essential for maintaining overall health and resilience against infectious diseases and illnesses. By incorporating a combination of dietary, lifestyle, and preventative measures, individuals can support their immune function and reduce the risk of infections. Throughout this article, we have explored various strategies for enhancing immune health, including dietary changes, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and supplementation with immune-boosting nutrients and herbs. These natural approaches work synergistically to strengthen the body's defenses, promote optimal immune function, and reduce the incidence and severity of infections. It's important to recognize that immune health is multifaceted and influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, and lifestyle choices. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to immune boosting, adopting a holistic approach that addresses the body's overall well-being is key. Incorporating these immune-boosting strategies into daily life can have far-reaching benefits beyond just immunity. By supporting immune function, individuals may also experience improvements in energy levels, mood, and overall quality of life. As with any health-related endeavor, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplementation regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. By taking proactive steps to support immune health and prioritize wellness, individuals can empower themselves to lead healthier, more resilient lives. With proper care and attention, the body's innate defenses can thrive, providing protection against a wide range of infectious threats and promoting long-term vitality and well-being. Click the pop-up link above your screen if you are interested in learning natural remedies for menstrual cramps. That concludes our list of natural methods to boost your immune system. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is key to maintaining a